Alright, guys. I made it just in time to catch the train.
You are at Terminal A. Hold on to the handrail.
Yeah, as soon as I just came down the escalator over there, the train was still on pickup. Yep, so I made it. So I just, so at least I was able to catch the train just in time before it ended up splitting up. Alright, so now we're pulling out. We're in train number 4.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal B. Agarre la barrata de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
Oh. Okay, so Terminal B. Okay, so now. Okay, there's still people about to get in the back.
Please stand clear of the doorway.
Yeah, so that's
when the doorway is clear, we will continue.
On peak for a little bit right now.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de la puerta.
Okay, here we go.
La entrada esté despejada. Continuaremos nuestro viaje.
We're at the hotel. Okay, we're closing up right now.
Please stand clear of the doorway. When the doorway is clear, we will continue
The
our
back
trip.
looks pretty crowded.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de
Yeah,
la
that's
puerta.
probably why we're-
Una vez la entrada esté
Well, the back
despejada,
door is still open.
continuaremos nuestro viaje.
Yeah, I wonder what's going on with the back door. Okay, it's already closed. We're going now.
You are at the Marriott Hotel.
Probably because someone was a little too close to the doorway.
Will be Terminal C.
Usted se encuentra en el
No.
Hotel Marriott. Agarre la barranda de
We're already
apoyo.
going now,
Su
so.
próxima parada es la terminal.
Yeah. Whoa. Man. There's the other train, which is all it's about to arrive at the hotel. Going pretty fast. Yep, we're going pretty fast right now. Oh, wow.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the seatbelt. Your next stop will be Terminal D.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal
Yeah, this is
C.
Terminal
Agarre
C.
la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima
man.
parada es la terminal D y E.
Yep. There's more. Get the door. People are getting on. Yep, I got the doors. Making sure those doors are closed
Please
up
stand
on
clear of
everybody.
the doorway. When the doorway is clear,
You're welcome.
we will continue our trip.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Por
stand.
favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de la puerta.
It's like
Una
a,
vez la entrada esté despejada,
yeah, I'm just gonna stand for right
nuestro
now,
viaje.
since it's a little. It's kind of a bit of a full house. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab onto the handrail for a little bit. That way I don't fall. Yep. So yeah, that's Terminal C. And there's the other train, which is arriving, and we're already leaving. This is also one of my favorite subway train rides in the airport so far, from C to D and E, because it's fast too. I swear, this train could like go like real fast right now, like fast as a highway car drive. I swear, this feels like a highway car drive because we're going so fast. And there's definitely no limits for speed limits for the train. Yeah, we're going pretty fast. And here we are at terminals D and E. Yeah, we're already at terminal D and E, real fast. Felt like just now we were still at terminal C. Oh, man. Good thing I'm holding onto the handrail.
Your next stop will be Terminal
Oh my
D.
gosh.
Usted se encuentra
That was a
en
pretty
la
hard turn.
terminal D y E. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima
Otherwise I could've
parada
fell.
es la terminal C.
Whoa, it's a hard stop. Yep, this is D and E.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just letting you guys go.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. And the door really closes too. What is up with the middle door? Oh my gosh. Okay, it's closing.
Clear. We will continue our trip.
Por favor, manténgase
Okay,
a
it's
una
already.
distancia
Okay, the
regular
train's
de las
already.
puertas. Una vez la entrada esté
Oh yeah, there it
cerrada,
goes now. There it
continuaremos
goes.
nuestro viaje.
Try to get a picture of it. Yep, there it goes. And that's it.